Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 refuses to charge, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a faulty charging cable or a damaged battery. If left unchecked, it could lead to a complete failure of your device, leaving you without a fully functional vacuum cleaner when you need it most. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement charging cable, and a pair of tweezers. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged and lay it on a soft surface to prevent any scratches. Using your small Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back cover. Be gentle, as these screws can be quite tight, but avoid applying excessive force. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the back cover using a flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips or components. Inside, locate the charging port. This is usually situated near the base of the device. Inspect it for any visible damage or loose connections. If you find a damaged charging cable, you will need to disconnect it from the battery. To do this, gently pull on the connector with your tweezers, ensuring not to tug on any surrounding wires. Once disconnected, take your replacement charging cable and connect it to the battery, making sure the connection is secure. Before sealing up your Dyson, it's a good idea to check that everything is functioning correctly. Plug in the new charging cable and see if the device begins to charge. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything is working, carefully replace the back cover and reinsert the screws, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the plastic. Finally, give your Dyson HD01 a test run to ensure it's functioning properly. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure that you regularly check the charging cable for any signs of wear and tear. Store your Dyson in a dry place, away from moisture, and avoid pulling on the cable too hard when unplugging it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.